Hey, what's up? I know some of you used to set password to protect your RAR files, but do you remember your password? Don't worry if you forget your RAR password. Here is the solution for you. Now, let's see how to open password-protected RAR. Here we create an RAR file and set a difficult password. We have a password-protected RAR here now. Then we can get PassFab for RAR from PassFab official website to unlock this RAR file. Launch PassFab for RAR. You can see its clear interface. Here you can import file. And these are password attack methods that you can choose one to crack your RAR password. Let's add the encrypted RAR file here. And select brute force attack. Click Start. Wait for a while. Your password will be displayed here. Click Copy. And let's see if it could unlock your file. Okay, we got the correct password. That's all for today. If you think this video is helpful, please give us a big thumbs up. See you next time.